Welcome to the Kotlin workshop. We're going to look at the Kotlin programming language, which is an alternative language on the Java virtual machine. Its primary feature, the one that seems to attract the most developers, is its a great emphasis on null safety. It's very difficult to get a null pointer exception within Kotlin, but it brings many other features to the table. We will look at how Kotlin has factory methods for creating collections and how it integrates with Java so that you can call Java from Kotlin and vice versa. It will look at the static binding mechanisms and the ways that you can override things if you actually wish to. But we'll also look at a few more interesting advanced features. Like we're going to take a brief look at Kotlin coroutines, another major feature that is recommended in the industry for doing asynchronous programming. So we will look at some basic examples of that and discuss some of the use cases as well. And we'll talk about how Kotlin can be used with Lambda expressions, even in order to make domain-specific languages and so on. So there's a lot of interesting features to cover. We're going to start from the basics, the ground up, and work our way through as many of them as we have time for, along with resources and other references, so that once you've seen all of this and worked with the basics, you'll be able to build Kotlin applications in the future.